Hey guys, good morning. Thomas Miata here, and we are right about to embark on another journey. Heading up to Brian Wadman's house. It's up in Connecticut, about a 6-hour drive away from here. If anything crazy happens on the road, I'll stop and film it. You guys will see. If not, I'll see you up there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share the video, guys. Sharing is caring. Heelys, check. Heely wheelies, check. Media vest, just in case. You never know what we'll get into. And then I'm gonna put the gimbal in there too. Fudge, check. Impact gun, check. Sleep well, Miata. You are in a state of repairish. You'll be fixed soon. Grab the other phone and gimbal. Check. 20 gallons, we're all filled up. Little mini fuel stop here. And a little change of plans. So Wadman's actually gonna be buying a pop-up camper, and instead of going to his house and meeting him there, we're gonna go straight there, meet him at the camper, check out the camper, and then I may actually tow it back to his house for him. So getting straight to work. Awesome stuff. Stay busy, keep creating, guys. Make shit every day, have a good time. That's what I'm trying to do. Wadman, getting it, buddy. Elite Energy, guys. If you're up here in the Connecticut area and you need fuel of the heating variety, hit them up. They got you. Good stuff, good stuff. Basically, we are picking up that camper, just following him to wherever said camper is, and we will continue on the journey after that. While we're here, I ran into a Miata. Gotta check it out. Oh, love the shifter. Love it. Cool. Good stuff. What's he got? A water temp gauge in there. It's about it. Full send. Full send. Miata life. What's up, Wadman? How are you?
What's going on, dude?
Where's the camper at?
This is not a camper spot. This is where they're working on a truck.
Oh, okay, okay. So camper will be next then. After that, I guess. About to take a little ride in the Miata, geez, in the 240. not a Miata. That would be my car. 240 Life. What we're concerned about is any transmission noise. So bad. It's pretty loud. First car on off-road is not meant. Keep it in gear, but like create it. I kind of feel what you're saying. Like it doesn't feel like it doesn't feel like it's driving right. It feels notchy. Like it feels like motor wise. It sounds like it sounds like it's missing a little bit. It feels like it might be missing a little bit. I would look at wires and spark plugs and things like that. Maybe a coil pack, compression test. Hopefully not that bad. Because it's like it wasn't misfiring right there. So far, the driving it around seems totally fine. Not hearing a lot of noise. It's really just under idle. Because it's not making that noise when the driveline's under load. If it was the clutch, like a screw was loose or something, I would think that it'd be much more constant. Feels way under power. Yeah, it's missing. It's definitely missing. That's fit. There is no fit. Fifth is for the birds. This was the backup transmission. Yeah. Anybody got one for sale? No, I don't mess with T56s. They're too weak. Unless you upgrade them, they break.
take the T6060 out of the convertible.
That TR6060 is a great transmission. They're good for like 1,000, but uses a different drive shaft connection.
Yes, I want to do a compression test.
Okay.
And, couple others.
Yeah. On this one or the other one? Both?
Both.
Yeah. You got a compression tester? Good. I would look at spark for this one first. Coil packs, wires. And we're back. Fun little ride. Alrighty, a little bit of playing around with these skis, and Wadman's gonna see if they will do jet ski things. And I'm gonna start unstrapping here and helping Dad out with that. Good. Alright, look at her go. Is there a wake zone or something? Where are you going? There it is, guys. We got the old 240 up on the lift. It's making lots of noise in the transmission area. We're thinking tomorrow we're gonna pull the transmission, hopefully find out what's going on. It's a possibility that maybe the flywheel's loose. We'll see. We'll know more tomorrow. But for tonight, we're gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, all those things. Make sure you check out Wadman Drift. So Brian Wadman over there. If you're in Connecticut, make sure you get your elite energy from this man. All this stuff. Okay, guys, we'll see you on the next one.